Tonight in the heart of Hill Country, heartache and hope side by side. And here we are, 6 days after the deadly and catastrophic flooding in the Texas Hill Country. Thanks for watching. I'm Brennan Gurley. Search crews are tirelessly searching through debris piles, hoping to reconnect families with their loved ones any way they can. Tonight, we know nearly 120 lives have been lost and more than 160 are still missing. That includes 5 campers and 1 counselor from Camp Mystic. More than 2,000 people are assisting in the search and carefully combing through debris piles with spotters on the ground to locate any sign of those still missing.
Our first responders are trying to get to places to do their jobs, and people coming here from outside the community and people within the community who want to go sightsee and look at the river and see the flood damage. It's making our job very hard.
Governor Abbott ordered flags across the state to be lowered to half-staff to honor those who lost their lives.